Can you give Mama and Papa kisses? Can you give Mama and Papa kisses? Give them kisses. Give them kisses. Oh, yeah, give them kisses. So sweet. Where's Papa? There's Papa. Where's Mama? You see Mama? Yeah, she's on the paper, huh? Do you see Randy? Do you see Aunt Randy on there? Are you giving them hugs? Give them hugs. Oh, love. Uh-oh, where are they? Where's Mama and Papa? There they are. There they are. Where's Mama? There's Mama. Where's Papa? There's Papa. There's Randy. Can you say Papa? You're not gonna say it? You're not gonna say it for the camera for Papa? She loves you so much, she can't stand it. She's gotta stick you between her legs and squeeze you. Where are they? You want me to hold them? Okay, I'll hold them. I'll put them both over here. Put them on the couch, okay, on the chair. Hey, Cadence, why don't you go get something else? Cadence, go get something else. Go get another toy. That's how you solve that problem. Whee! Right. And everybody say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What you got, Brindley? Cadence, let Brindley play with what she gets out. You can get things out on your own. Ooh, it's a motorcycle. Cadence, look, here's a train. Cadence, there's a train. Choo choo. Good job. Alright, I gotta go make y'all's breakfast. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? You want some grapes? For breakfast too? We'll do some grapes.